Welcome to another tour. The game is hide and go seek. We're at some new construction here in the East Valley. There's a lot going on. Let's show off some of the features and see if we can find Joey in the process. We enter through the front door. We're in the living room now. Now there's a lot more space for Joey to hide here because we got these 9-foot ceilings. Big open common space down here. And if I'm looking from the island at that nice big dining area, I do in fact spot you, Joey.
Oh, man, I thought I had you with that one.
Now we make our way upstairs, and before we get into the loft and some of the other features of the house, we're looking at the bedrooms. Now we've got 4-bed, 3-bath layout. We got 1 bedroom downstairs in this particular home. Now we're in the primary. Now just a great sized room. And some of the things that are new construction is that proportions are just different. So we've got the bath here, which is bigger than a lot of older construction. If we keep walking, we see the closet, and as we're looking for Joey, if I'm picking a hiding spot, boom, there he is.
You know, this closet is big enough for planking, a home office, or even a studio. They just make them a lot bigger than they used to. All right, final round. We're looking for Nate in this loft that can be used as a playroom or pretty much whatever else you want. Where is he?
Oh, bottom line, there's just a lot more room for activities. Look at the size of it.
And as we go into the backyard, I can never get Nate to stop talking about gas. So my guess is we could find him by the gas stove. Let's see where, oh, and there he is.
Just the perfect thing for those outdoor backyard accessories such as the fireplace or the barbecue. Thanks for joining us on this tour here of this new construction home. This is just an example of so many other new constructions out there. There's pros and cons to new construction when compared to resale. There's some things you might care about versus some you don't, but we'd love to be part of that decision-making process with you.
Absolutely. So whether you're looking for a new construction home like this one or a resale home, you can contact us right here.
Have a phenomenal rest of your day. Take care, and we will see you on the next tour.